Hi everyone. Okay, so I am going to give you a tour of my sewing area. This is where I cut my material and where I iron my material. I'll show you where I actually sew at though, because those are my. I'll show you my sewing machines a little bit closer. But okay, I'm on this little selfie stick, so I'm not sure how well it's going to be. My husband is a carpenter. I'm going to try and go slow. So he built me my cutting table. And we changed our windows out probably 6 years ago, 5, 6 years ago, but we had still had them in our backyard because they're hard to get rid of. So our sliding glass doors, my husband repurposed them, and so that is 1, 2, and 3. They're the 3 windows there. So it's the tempered glass. And yeah, I love the fact that he repurposed them. My dogs are going to bark because they have no manners. So just, it is what it is. So I will try and give you a tour of everything and try and answer some questions too. So this is how I store all my fabric. Now I have I had stuff from previous years. I have been a quilter now for 17 years, but I had a 5-year break. And I kept some stuff, but not a lot of stuff. And then I realized that I really like collections. So these are all collections in these bins. My singles are in another room because there's just not enough room. And I can't quilt fast enough, faster than I'm buying actually. So I am buying a lot. And I just, unless I'm quilting every day, there's just no way I can get through all this. But this is what I look at when I'm above. So I love the clear of all of this, the clear effect. And these are all fat quarter bundles right in here. So let me, you're going to see the lights above, and that's, that's just part of it. Sorry, there's no light really in here. This used to be our formal dining room. So this is how I store my fat quarter bundles in here. These are from Target. Maybe you can screenshot it. These are from Target and they are $6. So that is what they are. And I adore these. So I have a lot of them. And and that's how they get stored. So let me try and show you. My yardage is on the bottom. So let me kind of pan. These right here are all my Lori Holt's. That's all my Lori Holt collection in here. And down below is all yardage. Now, I have run out of room for yardage. And I have run out of room. So I'm kind of sad about that because I just can't use it fast enough, you guys. And so I'm having a stack on top, and I hate that. But there's nothing I can do about it because these bins are so full. Now, let me take one out and show you the... Oh, of course, I grabbed one that doesn't have it doesn't have the label on it. I get these from TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and Marshalls because they're all the same business over here. I don't know if you guys have that where you live, but in California, that's what we have. And so not all of them are the same, but let me see if I can find. I've been leaving the labels on them so that way you guys could see them. And there it is. Okay. So let me try and squat instead of bringing it up. So these are what they're called, Beano's extra large. And yeah, and underneath there, you guys, it's jam packed full of yardage. This is where I keep all my yardage, is down here. And so, sorry. Okay, let me try and move this again. And then this is where I cut. This is where I cut all my material at. And let me get closer. Hold on. Let me just shoving that stuff back in. So this is my cutting area and my Lori Holt. Love my Lori Holt. I know I just tilted you guys. Sorry. Like I said, it's on a selfie stick. So I've never had a selfie stick before. And it's kind of funny. So let me see if I can... This is where I keep all the rulers that I use like constantly. Let me try and put this stuff. These were gifts from friends. I'm an 80s girl, and then she made me this too. Isn't that the cutest, you guys? I love it. So let me show you So you saw this. Okay, so that you saw. And let me move this over. And this right here is all the Lori Holt ones. I love Lori Holt. She is my absolute favorite. And the white spots, of course, are the lights. Now, I have been hooked, you guys, on jelly rolls. So I have like over 100, I think. It's just crazy. I don't have over 100, but I have a lot. So these bins are jam-packed full of them. I got to get to building, that's for sure. So let me keep going around. So this is my Lori Holt where I keep my, the simple shapes, and I just hang them here. So my husband put this on here for me so I could hang my rulers and my, hang anything. You can hang anything, which I did. Which these are like ticket holders. You can find them on Amazon, but they're called, I think, ticket holders. My friends gave them to me, and I love that. But I ran out, and so I had to get these. Let me show you right here. These were at the Dollar Tree. So you can get these at the Dollar Tree and $1.25. So you don't have to get them from Amazon if you don't want. But they might be cheaper on Amazon for a bundle, you know what I mean? So, but Dollar Tree has them if you only have a couple of them. So this is where I love holding all the little rulers that I use constantly. I just put in front of me. So let me go sideways. And I love these. I found these at Home Goods, and I keep my, let me show you what I keep in them, because I know sometimes that's, curiosity for everything, and I love seeing everything. This is, because I have 2 Jukies. They sent me a lot of, accessories, so I put all my accessories in there. So, but these were at Home Goods. Yeah, see, Home Goods, $5.99 for this one, so pretty fun. Okay, going around the table, because I can go around the table. And then these are the, I need another bin. I have, okay, so these are the Las Vegas strips that I've been accumulating. And so, hold on one sec, guys. Okay, sorry, husband's working. Okay, so this, I'm not keeping it like this because I don't like the hangover right here. But this is how I've been storing this Las Vegas strips. And this is one of those refrigerator bins. And there might not be a, oh, there is. Okay, hold on. Sorry for the waving, but there's just sacrifices have to be made because I can't do this by myself. So this is $9.99, and I got this at Home Goods. So, but that's what it's called. You can get them on Amazon. I used to get them on Amazon, but now I find them at Home Goods. And they're kind of the same price unless you find like a used one. So, but I need another one, and I didn't have one right now, so I just put it in that temporary thing. And then more yardage, you guys. I have so much yardage. Okay, let me go slow. And then here are, let me scoot this over. I love looking above it. And my husband came up with this idea, and he's just a genius. I love it. So I have my charm packs in here. Let me see if I can, is there a label? There might be a label. Let me look. So, no, there's no label on this one. But these are more refrigerator bins, and the charm packs fit in here. So I do see one. Okay, let me grab it, you guys. I'm sorry if it's shaky, but I don't know how else to do this, honestly. So how else am I supposed to do this? I don't know. Okay, so this one was from Amazon. So that is an M design, and that is what it looks like. That's what it says on there. This is charm pack stuff. It's just this black circle. But there is another one. I am going to keep you right here. So try and keep you steady. So that was one, but like I said, everybody sells these things. So this is the one that I found like at Home Goods. So that deep drawer bin. So these fit all the charm packs. So let me try and put these back in. Just so I can give you another overview of the room. And let's see. And then I'm trying to give you all the names of everything. Okay, and then this one right here is where I hold all my layer cakes. So I am jam-packed full of layer cakes. So these are different bins. These, I would say just take your or your layer cakes to Home Goods, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, and then start looking to see what fits. Because sometimes I find them at the Goodwill also. But yeah, like this one I found at TJ Maxx. It was $10. And yeah, so just some of them are not alike, and I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that because hello, and you got to do what you got to do, right? So, but that is, yeah, that is my table. Okay, I'm gonna take you. Let me show you this way. Okay, let me go this way. Hold on. Trying to go slow. And so this is also this is where I hang all my ones I use a lot of, you know, the Stripology, 12 by 12, 12 and a half by 12 and a half. So that is what's there on this side. And then here is my ironing table. Now this is a Husky from Home Depot, and it is adjustable. So all you have to do is crank the handle and it goes up and down, and I love that. This is where I have all my quilts. I'll be doing after this video, I'm going to show you some of my quilts. And then this is like my whips. So things I cut out, and I'm ready just to bring a bin to the table and start doing my project. This is my Project Life. I do Project Life, which is scrapbooking, and these are my yearly albums. So that's what that is. I'm going to pan you up. And this right here, I'll start from the left. This right here is my new thing I showed on Amazon. My Amazon haul I showed on YouTube. Okay, so I did a preview of the iron I bought. I was not happy with that iron, so I upgraded to the second iron. And then I was like, oh my gosh, this is the one that Donna Jordan from Jordan Fabrics has, and way better, you guys. This one actually steams. So these are my sewing machines. I have the QVP 18. I love it so much, you guys. The DX 2000 because I applique, so I need that for applique, and I've been taking it to class too. But yeah, so that, and then I have some of my quilts displayed there. You'll see them in another. We have wildlife, so we have things out there for them to rest on. We have turkeys and stuff, and so we got rid of a toddler bed, and they love sitting on it. Okay, so this is the room. This, like I said, it was a formal dining room. My husband does not care, and I don't care. We don't have guests. Nobody comes to my house at all. And even if they did, I don't care. This is my house. I pay my mortgage. Nobody else does, so I'll do whatever I want with it. So if I want to put a painting room in here, I'll do it. If I want to splatter walls, I will do it. So because you pay for your house, you do whatever the heck you want with it. Who cares? So my husband and I diamond paint, and I roped them into doing that with me. So that was our first one, the dragon. And so we'll have another one eventually on the right. I'm surprised it doesn't bother my husband as much because he's very OCD. So what I do is I bring my sewing machine, because this is all stand up. I cannot stand. I have a bad back. I cannot stand while sewing. So what I do is I have nowhere in my house where I can sit down and sew. The room wise, because everywhere I go you have to stand, unless it's like my main craft room, which you've seen videos of that. But my main craft room is for my Project Life. There's no more room in there for sewing, so I don't do that. So what I do is I bring my sewing machine to me, and this is my kitchen right here, and this is where I sew. I sew right here on this table. So this is my kitchen. We have a TV in our kitchen, so I sew right here, and it's another Husky table for our kitchen table because we just don't care. And because it's adjustable in height. So my husband and I, we diamond paint here and I sew here. And this was a nook that he built also for us right here. And this is where I sew because of these guys. I have 4 bulldogs and that's Ash right there. And this one is Talwin, Yep. And so I sew, they lay here. They usually lay 2 to a cot and they usually have more blankets and more pillows, but they're being washed. And they're my life and their comfort means more to me than anything. So that is why they sleep right here and they're happy with me being in front of them. So it's a compromise that I'm fine with. You know, if I didn't have any dogs, I would probably be sewing in my bedroom. And I don't know. But either way, I sew here and I watch TV. And yeah, that's my guilty pleasure right there. Rock of Ages. Oh my God, I love Rock of Ages. Oh yeah, so good. So anyways, so the other 2 are gone. But this is where I sew. And then I have usually a, next to me, I'll have a, like a TV tray so I can iron. So it's next to me, like, sorry, I'm pointing and you can't even see. I have it right here next to me so I can iron and cut and then sew if I don't want to get up and down. So yeah, but this is what you walk into when you come in here and I love it. So hopefully it's steady enough, you guys. I'm sorry if it wasn't, but you know, I don't know how else to do this. But if you have any questions, you want to know where I got something, let me know and I will try my best to figure it out. So, and then I have my quilts in here. These are all the quilts I have made. And like I said, I'll show you a video, but all those came from Amazon, the bags. So yeah, anyways, all right guys, take care. Thank you for watching. Bye.